Alam niyo ba na meron akong nahanap na 1,500 monthly rentals na siya. Dito siya sa Seven Seas Hotel. Meron silang twin sharing guys for 1,500. Pwede nang tumira ang dalawang tao.
At 2,999 naman para sa kanilang single room. Kompleto yung mga gamit nila, ready to move in ka na agad, walang hassle. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandito.
Coffee, it's a free coffee guys. At pwede din kayong mag-asa kanila ulit. So, meron silang kettle, meron silang tubig, and may refrigerator din sila. A small refrigerator. Meron silang mga cabinet. Ayan. Para safe ang inyong mga gamit, meron din silang bowl at maraming cabinet. Meron din dito sa side. And meron din plancha. And of course, meron din toilet room, washroom. And here is the toilet room. This is the toilet. And this is the shower room. Here. Okay. This shower room.
Plus, enjoy their amazing facilities kagaya na lamang nitong swimming pool, meron din silang gym, spa at iba't ibang restaurant sa loob ng hotel. Pwede din kayong kumain o mag-order ng dinner or breakfast, perfect for workers, professionals, or anyone looking for a cozy and convenient stay.
So, napakalaki ng space nila dito. For as long as 1,500 monthly, meron ka ng hotel booking. So, what are you waiting for? Book na.
Dito lang yan sa Seven Seas Hotel and experience comfort at an affordable price.